So if you guys have Dream Street or Golden State, don't mind everything dropping. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am really excited. Excuse the rushedness of this video as you progress, because as of right now I have to leave in 4 minutes to go get my kids from school, so I have to rush through this too. But today for Throwback Palette Thursday, which I do every Thursday, and I bring out old palettes that some people may or may not have, you know, limited editions, holiday sets, just, you know, older palettes in general, collabs, things that came in like beauty boxes, things like that. I try and pull out and use because we have so many new makeup that's coming out. We're really hyped up about that. Our older palettes kind of get left in the dust and they're kind of just, you know, put on the back burner. So I really want to do this series every Thursday to show you guys that you can still create beautiful looks, obviously, with some old palettes. And the palettes I'm using today to create this look is the Kathleen Colourpop collab, and this is Dream Street. That was my 2-year-old, if you heard her. And the Golden State of Mind by Colourpop. Now, I am using 2 palettes, but I am only using 1 color in the Golden State of Mind because it is all shimmers, and you have to bring in another palette for those mattes. Can you hear my daughter? She's talking about a car. And then the Dream Street palette. So if you want to see this look and you're interested in recreating a look of your own, I would love to see that as well. Comment below if you have a video on it, and I would love to watch it. But anyways, if you want to see this look, then just keep watching. And also, thank you for watching. Thanks for being subscribed. Leave a comment if you like it, and like it if you like it. And I'll see you guys next Thursday. But here we go, on to the look. Yes. Bye. Alright, so we are going to start with the eye look, and then I will continue with the blush and highlighter and lipstick. So we are going to start with, excuse the dirtiness of these palettes, but we are going to start with Dream Street, and then just for 1 color, this inner color right here, it is going to come from Golden State of Mind. Now, I know I said 1 palette, but it's the same brand, so I think it's okay. And 1 palette is all shimmers, Golden State of Mind, so you kind of have to use another palette with that. You can't just create a look with all shimmers. I mean, you can if you really love sparkles, but I'm just using 1 shade from that palette, and then the rest of them will be from Dream Street, which is, if no one knows, Kathleen Light's collection. So I am going to start with the eye look, and to start off with the eye look, we're going to go into Dream Street. I am going in with a big fluffy brush with this light peach color here. It probably has a name. I don't know which direction this goes in, but this might be magical, but it also might be Stardust. And I don't know. So I'm just gonna show you the color, and you can follow along with your Dream Street palette. I'm going to be creating a large wing, so I'm kind of, instead of making it a rounded look, I'm kind of just swooping it out here in the corner. Alright, now I'm going in with this light brown shade. Alright, I am actually going to take this soft cream kind of satin color and just lightly, a very subtle highbrow, a very subtle eyebrow highlight. I also got a new microphone, Shout out to the awesome comment for the tiny frying pan sizzling in the background. That's my microphone and it sucks and I'm sorry. But I did get a new microphone, so this next video that I'd be filming, this next video that I'm going to be filming, I am going to be using that microphone. So we'll see how that one works. Alright, now I am going in to create just right in here in the crease this warm brown shade to create kind of a dark transition color. I'm not taking that anywhere else except just on this crease color for now. Just swooping that end out there, kind of flicking it up as I go. Alright, this is where I'm gonna go in with the Golden State of Mind palette, and I am going in with this really beautiful shade right here, this first one. So it's kind of like a pink, but then when you turn it, it's like a pinky blue, but then when you turn it to some points, it has like a peach shift to it. So it looks really pretty with these peach and brown colors that I'm using. So I am just kind of creating a fan technique where you start with a lighter color and you just transition into the darkest color on the end. I am dropping everything. Nothing is working right now. My workspace is completely filthy. Here, let's see if you guys can see it. Oh, Gardettos, hell yeah. Oh, Red Bull, root beer. Look at this. I mean, this is so dirty. I am disgusting. So now that I have this color, I am not going too far over, maybe to the center of my eyelid. I'm gonna start putting the darker colors on, and I am going back into Dream Street. Like I said, that was the only color in that palette. So now we are going in with this really, I'm just keeping that same color on my brush because we're gonna blend it together anyways. So I'm going in with this really pretty bronze copper color. And I am also not taking this very far over. Just, it's half of the lid right now that's left, and so I'm only doing half of that half. I'm happy with that. Alright, now going back into Dream Street, I'm going to deepen up this outer corner here with that really nice warm brown color, kind of ready brown color. And I am going to be swooping this color out and flicking it out at the corner there. We're gonna blend all this together so it's not gonna look like a hot mess, I promise. Beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Right now I am actually taking a mix to kind of create that crease. I am taking a mix of this dark brown and that red, orangey, reddy color, and then I'm just going to lightly draw right in the crease there. Just blending out this line with a very teeny tiny blending brush. Blend until your fingers bleed, or your skin, whichever comes first. Alright, so now I'm going to add the liner, and then, oh my gosh, I am dropping everything. Alright, now I'm going to add the liner, and I'm going to create kind of a big wing, just because I want to be dramatic today. Alright, that is a dramatic wing. So now I'm going to do the lower lash line real quick. This is such a great white eyeliner to just open up your eyes. It's the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk 604. I love this thing. Okay, now I'm going in. I know this is Mermaid Boy. Okay. Okay, I get it. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going in with Mermaid Boy. And I'm just like hugging the bottom lash line with this color. And now I'm just gonna soften that bottom edge with, I wish this would be so much easier if I had all the brushes in front of me. But everything keeps falling. Okay, found it. Now I am going in with this shade, and I am just kind of softening up right up underneath this blue line so it's not as harsh. And then I'm going to add to the inner corner this beautiful blue peach kind of shade that is Kaleidoscope, and that is going on the inner corner. Alright, I'm just going to add some mascara, lashes, and I will be right back to finish up the rest of the face. Now on to the blush. I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I love this color blush. It's so pretty. I am, if you hear stuff drop, get used to it because everything's dropping. And that was way too much. We're gonna be peach, y'all. Alright. Those are the apples of the cheeks. Alright, we are blushed. That is such a pretty color. I feel so glamorous. Okay, great. Okay, oh, sorry. It's happening. Whatever. I have to go pick up my kids in 9 minutes, so we're rushing. Alright, hopefully you can see this highlight because you never can on my beauty lights. Actually, just to make it as intense as possible, I am using the JH09, which is supposed to be like a super blush, and I am using the Pixi by Petra in Subtle Sunrise, the Glowy Gossamer duo. These are beautiful. Alright, let's see if you can see it. Oh no, hopefully. Yeah, that blush ain't blended because I'm in a hurry. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not as bright out because it's rainy, so I was hoping that maybe you could see my highlight better today. But I guess that's a negative. I mean, I'm trying. I want you guys to see it because it's beautiful. And it always looks like my highlight is just non-existent because these beauty lights suck. I really need to get my lighting under control. Beginner woes. Beginner YouTubers. Any other channels out there who are just starting? I should do like a shout out to people. Have someone do a look with the palette that I do a throwback with. I should nominate someone for that. I don't know. I don't have enough subscribers yet, so let me know if you guys want me to do that for like some, you know, new YouTubers, and that way we can kind of get each other's names out there. But as of right now, I have like 35 subscribers, so I don't have enough people to nominate yet. Alright, I am using the Colourpop Lippy Sticks in Psych, and this is their matte formula. You can't rush lipstick, that's for sure. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright. And how long was I not in focus? There we go. that is the final look. So I hope this inspired you, even though I was in a super rush. I apologize. I have to leave in 6 minutes and I'm not even wearing pants. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, give it a like. Let me know any thoughts about this look, or, you know, these palettes, or, you know, anything. What's the weather like where you're at? It's raining right now. It's disgusting here. But in the words of my 2-year-old who is in the other room, I'm just going to keep her there because she's on the tablet and I really have to go in 4 minutes. So, bye! Okay, and I'm done. Okay. Alright, so I'm just kind of creating a soft gradient, gradient between these two colors. That's confusing. You're welcome. Forever and ever 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 and ever. Whatever. And I lost the brush I need. So that's the end of the video, y'all. Alright, now I am going in with a color once I find my eye pencil. Yeah, I'm doing this with my fingers. I'm in a hurry. And those are gonna be super pokey. Okay. Okay, I think that's like the fastest I've ever put on lashes. Why aren't you working? You're not sticking. I love this color. If you hear that jiggling, I am holding my makeup brushes on my lap. And they're moving with me. Guys, yeah, good. So if you guys have Dream Street or Golden State, don't mind everything dropping. So I hope to see you guys next Thursday. If you guys like this video, sorry, I'm playing with my brushes and it's really loud. Dream Street, if you love, my children can pick those up because my back hurts. Okay? Whatever.